Dear students, good morning all of you. Hope that you are all safe. After summer vacation, school could not be opened due to coronavirus. It doesn't mean that you are having holidays. School started, online teaching is going on, and now your responsibility has increased. You have to follow 3 things. Keep a timetable with you. Accordingly, keep the subject copies with you, classwork copies. Whatever work is given, that you have to do and submit as per the directions of the teachers. You have to maintain the homework schedule also. And assignments whatever given by the subject teachers, you have to answer. You have to maintain a hard copy with you, and that to be submitted after reopen of the school. At any time it can be opened. Okay? From August 1st or later on, at any time you will come to the school, either in the month of September or any time. And you have to submit these written works when the school is opened on the same day, because from 6th to 12th every subject there are 20 marks of internal assessment, and this internal marks will be given on the basis of the classwork copy, homework copy, assignments given by the teachers, tests conducted by the teachers, the marks you secured. What is observed here by me, I have seen that some students are not joining the class. Who joined? Not paying the attention. They are logging in and simply they are doing some other work. It should not be. All of you attend the class, log in, and then do all the works. I appointed some other teachers to observe your attendance. Each subject teacher is taking the attendance, and this attendance is compulsory to give the annual exam. So हमको रुकना नहीं है. You have to log in. Any problem, if a regular school is there, you used to send leave application. Now also you have to send the message to the teacher. So your attendance is compulsory. Every student, please write down. Keep it in mind. Inform your parents. Do all the written works and submit in time. And CBSE registration and all works are going on. PISA work is going on. So now today only we have got some material related to the PISA. That will be distributed by your subject teachers. All the teachers to ensure the attendance of the students. So when teachers are taking your attendance and monitoring it, you cannot be absent. So all of you be present, do all the works, and within a week you should come to the normal. By Monday onwards, all of you start writing. Tomorrow Sunday, complete all the pending works, and study timetable you prepare at home and read well. Thank you.